Hi everybody, this is David Ross, the General Sales Manager at Woodridge Ford. We have to show you what's going on here. In the showroom, all our remaining 2018s are on a complete blowout. F-150s, $15,000 off. We've got the Explorers here and Escapes, $6,000 off. EcoSports, as high as $3,500 off. To make it simple for you, you can come in and you can see what the lease payments are and the finance payments. Some examples of the great deals here. You got an F-150 crew cab that's over here, and it ends up being, where's the math? Right here, look at this. This is the super cab, $213 bi-weekly on a finance contract. That's pretty cheap for a brand new truck. That truck initially was $47 grand new, it's $32,049. Some of the Escape deals that we have as well too that are on the board, $173 bi-weekly. Now you have your choice of either a lease or a finance on that if you want. As well, we have EcoSports, $163 bi-weekly. Unbelievable. All the math is here, all the numbers are here. If you have a trade, please bring it in. We'll look at the trade, apply it towards down payment, figure out what your payout is, put the whole package together for you. It's Deerfoot and Douglasdale. This is where Calgary comes for Ford. It's Woodridge Ford at the corner of Deerfoot and Douglasdale. See you shortly.